everybody. Today I'm making fried chicken. Why don't you come with me in my kitchen and watch how I do this. I've had my chicken in a buttermilk brine and some chicken seasoning that I did yesterday afternoon, and I let it stay in all night. I'm going to take it out and let it dry on this rack before I cook it. There we go. Of course, get rid of the buttermilk brine now because that's all chickeny. After I have it dried for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and cut my chicken into 4 pieces, and then I'm going to bake it. I've added some additional seasoning on my chicken, and what I'm going to do right now is set it on this pan, and I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 30 minutes because I don't want it cooked all the way through, but I do want it mostly cooked before I fry this. I know that's might not be what everybody else does, but frying for me has not always been a good thing. So partially cooking the chicken beforehand is going to make this chicken just fantastic, nice and crispy and cooked all the way through. Let's get this in the oven. While the chicken cooks in the oven, I'm going to get some breading started. I like layers of flavor when it comes to making my chicken, so for the final and top layer, I'm going to use these cheese Krispies, and I'm going to get them into my food processor. I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of flour as well. Get this set up and start to pulse. Don't you just love food processors? I know I do. I make a lot of breading, and this thing is just great for that. I don't have the cheese crisp finely cut up. I do have a little bit of coarseness, so that's going to be a nice crunch. Got that there. Awesome. Well, the chicken's almost done, so let's go check it out. My oil is at 350, so it's ready for me to start frying my chicken. I've let it cool. I've actually had it sitting on the back burner for a little bit, and I've made myself a small breading station. So I've got the breading here, eggs here. I do want to make sure that my breading does stick. And so first I'll be dipping the chicken into the egg mixture, and then into my cheesy crackers with flour. Got that. Make sure it sticks perfect, and gently lower it into the oil. Ooh, nice. Let me get the second piece in, and you get the idea. We're frying. Yay! Because I par cooked the chicken, it's not going to take that long to fry them. Of course, you do want to check the internal temperature of your chicken before serving it. And you don't want to crowd the pan, so I'm only going to put those 2 pieces in for now. Let's check them. Oh, that is already looking beautiful. You want a closer look? Let's get a closer look at how pretty this looks. Look at that. And that's the reason why I wanted to par cook them, so that they'll have that beautiful golden crust without being raw on the inside. Let me get this finished up and show you how it all looks after it's done. Fried chicken is done. There it is. It's beautiful. I made some couscous and broccoli to go with it. Now it's time to taste. Mmm, mmm. Oh my god, it's hot and crunchy. Mmm. Honey, you gotta come taste this chicken. This is so good, so crunchy. It's cooked perfectly on the inside. I think this is my new favorite fried chicken. Mm. Fried chicken. It's my thing to do today. Make it your thing to do too. Mm. I want to add extra flavor when I cut my